All right, this is how you blow up 148 balloons in a minute, all at the same time. You just gotta get one of these little fancy things and buy some of these balloons. Here we go. I hope they all fit in this container. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, there's a couple got little holes in them. Oh! Oh my gosh, they're getting heavy. Ah, look at them.
Here, hold it down. So
It's freaking heavy.
Dad, hold it down so they don't pop. Like when they drop.
They're not gonna pop.
Here, now start shaking.
Oh my gosh. I didn't realize how much 148 balloons would weigh.
It's heavy.
It's freaking heavy. Oh, there goes a couple. Here we go. Here we go.
All right, Mikey, go turn the water off.
No, not yet. Hang on. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, go.
All right, that's how you do it. All right. Me and the boys are going to have a water balloon fight. That's what you do when you blow up water balloons. Have a water balloon fight. On your mark, get set, go!
Oh, I broke that air.
All right, nobody's hitting nobody. Ah! Crap! Ah! Come on. Come on, bring it on! Yeah. Ah. Oh! Jeez. Ah! Ah! Freaking kids! Ouch! I think I got a black and blue mark. My God, that hurt! Oh, that one broke. Ah, yeah, take that. Ah. Woo! Woo! Two, baby. Well, that was hit my Give that one. I'm freaking soaked. Look, that one about hit my camera. I'm tired. Dang it, this thing's don't break. Yeah. Get away! Ouch! Okay. Ah, you suck! Ah, that's freaking cold!
Joey, do it at me!
Here, right on his head. Right on his head.
Hi, Dad.
Alright, well, what a mess.
Thanks for watching our video. Please leave us a comment and give us a thumbs up. God bless and have a great day.